Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to perform a factory reset in Windows 11. There are basically two options to choose from. One where you do a complete reinstall, and one where you keep your files and only reset the Windows OS and settings. To do the reset, click on the Windows search icon and type in Reset this PC. Click on it. This takes you to the recovery menu. Here you need to select Reset PC. The first option is to factory reset Windows 11 by removing all applications and settings, but keeping personal files, for example pictures or documents. The second option is a complete reset. This deletes all personal files and all software. If you are having issues with your PC, I advise choosing this option as it ensures that you start from a clean sheet. Make sure to store important files in the cloud or on a USB before you do this. In this tutorial, I'll select the first option. Keep my files. When you click on it, you get the option to do a cloud download or local reinstall. Both options are fine, but the cloud download uses more data, so keep that in mind. Select one of the options to continue. When you do, you get an overview of the factory reset settings as they are at the moment. Click on Change Settings if you want to make a last-minute change. You can set the Restore Pre-installed apps to No if you want. Click on Confirm. Click on Next to continue. This takes us to the last page in the wizard. Here you can click on View apps that will be removed. By doing so, you get an overview of all of the applications that you need to reinstall from a disk or from the web. Click on Back, and after that you can click on the Reset button. Depending on the strength of your PC, it could take about an hour to complete, but normally it should be a bit faster. This concludes our tutorial on how to factory reset Windows 11. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.